Still 630 east. I will be taking the Mississippi exit. 682.
Are you going north or south?
630 east. Future exit. Keep an eye on exit. Stand by for the direction.
Going north on Rodney Parham.
CMS received.
14, I'll call it. We're Rodney Parham coming back up to 630 on ramp. Continuing Rodney Parham coming up to Choctaw. Tell me what you're talking about, which direction on Rodney Parham? Mark him.
Put your hands up! Put your fucking hands up! Get him! Get him! TBI 1015, start at 1011, clear net. We're going to be at Markham and Rodney Parham. Did he hit a car back there? Hey, did he hit a car back there at the intersection?
No, he didn't hit one.
You just missed it?
Yeah. They almost hit you, actually.
I saw him blow through.
TBI.
TBI.
1, 2, 3. Up. Alright, let's go this way.
You know who you are. He put him back here. Hey, put him in 42's car. Put him in that one right there. Yeah.
He's going with me.
No, he's going with us. We TBI'd him.
Do what?
Here. Put him in your now.
Yeah, we're taking me with our pursuit.
Get the TBI? Yeah. I thought it was going to hit that concrete wall. Oh, dude. Hey, is this car in park?
1 second.
I'm gonna back up real quick.
Good, what? Hey, is it parked? I wouldn't move until you put it in park.
It is now. Good. Adam 9, you can go ahead for 48.
Have him give me 21 for an equal.
Back there, did he hit a car at the intersection back there?
He almost did.
I checked up and I saw that car. He almost hit him.
How close is it to that car?
Either there was debris in the intersection he ran over, or he did hit it. I mean, he's got, there's no damage back here, so it would have been this side.
1041 unknown injury.
Good work, boys. Appreciate you as always.
117, a car was rear-ended the tow truck. That's working on that.
Yes, sir. Yeah. He blew an intersection, almost smoked a car. I got up next to him, hit him. He swerved in the other lane. He got turned around and hit a I don't think I had any damage to my car. He kind of turned back around and just barely tapped it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with my car. Just pushed my fender in, just barely. Okay. Okay. So do I take them? Because North Little Rock was saying they're going to take those theirs. Okay. Okay. So my ADR and then fill out of charges also. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Just do everything except for actually taking that custody. Okay. No, just him. He tried that one out on foot. No, North Little Rock ran up and got him. He fell down. Rourke rolled up after... Rourke, were you here after I did TBI?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was just North Little Rock behind me.
There's stuff back there.
Okay.
I can't.
Well, alright, boot rolled up. Hit him. Dude, I thought he was going to smoke that concrete wall right there, but he saved it and got turned around and...
Oh, so you hit him and then he almost hit the wall.
Huh?
Is that a business?
No, it's a house.
Where is he at right now?
Back at North Little Rock's car. He said do everything like we're arresting him, except for don't take him in custody.
So
So,
you got all the citations?
ADR, incident report. I don't have to do the whole packet for pursuit. It's just a memo, I think, because I wouldn't want to start it and all that.
No, you got the whole package.
The whole packet?
Just not making the whole package.
Okay.
We need to figure out what business that is.
I think that's just someone's house. Yeah. Does that tag come back to this vehicle?
Hey, did that tag come back to his vehicle?
Yeah. He doesn't have insurance?
No intent.
Okay.
That's fine. He's got like 3 warrants.
Okay. Yep. Is his ID in his car still?
I can send it to you on that.
Okay. Yeah. Fricke. Yeah. If you will send me the one that your report number, the one that authorized the pursuit, everyone that was involved. What's your...
I'm about to pop that glass. So is that cool with you?
Yeah. I don't care. Yeah, just everyone that was involved, report number, times. Yeah. And I'll send you the information too. All right, thank you, man. Are you taking him to the hospital? Which hospital are you taking him to?
I have to talk to my sergeant. I might as well take him to Big Baptist right here, or UAMS or something.
Okay.
Got to go all the way back to North Rock.
Yeah. What did you guys originally stop him for? Oh. That's a good one then. Hey, is Boots doing the house right here work?
I don't think
Boots.